In 1886, a ship crossed the Atlantic carrying not soldiers, not treasure, but pieces of a dream. Over 350 parts of a statue, broken into crates, waiting to be reborn in New York Harbor. And when she finally stood tall, the world called her Liberty. But behind this symbol of freedom was not just art, it was engineering courage. Her body was sculpted by Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. Her skeleton, her strength, by Gustave Eiffel, the genius behind the Eiffel Tower. Together, they proved that freedom doesn't stand on wishful thinking. It stands on structure. Copper skin, iron bones, human hope. And every rivet whispered a message. Dreams can rise across oceans if we dare to build them. So next time you see the Statue of Liberty, don't just see a monument. See an engineer's heartbeat, a builder's vision, and a nation's belief. This is Ezira Chronicles, where history and structure meet motivation. Subscribe now, and let's keep uncovering the stories that were built to last.